Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hamad International Airport kung saan pupunta kami ng Almaty, Kazakhstan with my friend. So first time kong pumunta dun sa Almaty guys. So I'm so excited and today dito pa rin kami sa airport. So waiting for the next flight. So there. Ayan siya guys. There. Hello Team Abroad and Team Pinas. Alright. Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-garden sa Hamad International Airport guys. There. So ngayon pupunta tayo doon. There. Mag-iikot tayo guys for the travels. Hello to everyone, nandito na kami ngayon sa boarding area. So, waiting for the flight na kami guys. So, in just few minutes, lalarga na po kami patungong Kazakhstan. There!
Freezing cold.
So ano masasabi mo, Bryce?
Sobrang lamig. Nagulat kami, sobrang lamig. Akala ko this is enough, but no.
True. So, ito nga nakapagkailangan ko ng damit. By the way guys, nandito kami ngayon sa arrival area. Okay, so antayin namin yung driver. Actually, super cold nandito guys. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Hello everyone, welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan. Okay. So welcome to Almaty guys. Grabe. Umuusok yung bunganga ko dito. Hello guys, grabe. Ang lamig. Welcome to Almaty everyone. Grabe guys, ang lamig. Makikita niyo po yung yellow. First time ko umapak dito guys. Grabe na. Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Grabe! Welcome to Almaty. First time. Oh my god! So cold! Grabe! Nasaan yung kasama ko? Nawawala. Hi guys! Ito na po kami ngayon dito sa hotel. Dito sa Ajer Hotel. Dito sa Kazakhstan. Mag-tour tayo dito guys. Sobrang lamig pala dito sa Kazakhstan. Grabe. So, good luck sa amin later. So, for now, is matutulog muna kami guys. So, mag-real quick tour dito sa Ajer Hotel. There, ito yung pa-bathroom nila guys. So, medyo lang siya. 2-star hotel.
Medyo. It
Ayan.
is a 2-star hotel.
2 beds.
Yes.
And may ang tawag dito? May pa-cabinet guys.
Closet.
There. Buksan natin.
We have a closet with matching bathrobe inside.
There. Ayun siya
And
guys.
on this side, you can see our little heater. A very old-fashioned. I like it. Very antique. Very 1980s.
What's the purpose of that?
That's for if whenever we feel cold now, we can just plug it in and open it so that the room will be a little bit hot,
Hot.
but not too much hot.
Okay. Can you explain?
As you see this one is no, because they charge you if you pick something here.
Exactly.
Also inside.
Yes.
So this one is yes. Only one piece yes. And sugar.
Only Karate is free.
Yes.
The rest is may bayad. So ngayon, mag-unpack muna kami ngayon. Kasi we need to palit-palit the damit. Okay, so guys, abangan niyo po ang aming OOTDs dito sa Kazakhstan. And there. Thank you guys. See you around. Hello everyone. So yeah, it's early in the morning here. Time check, 7 o'clock in the morning, or I think it's 8 o'clock. So it's very cold outside guys. Okay, nakapag-breakfast na kami dito sa hotel. And we're getting ready sa pupuntahan namin. So for now, we still have like 1 hour to prepare. So there. So sobrang lamig dito guys. Sobra. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan. See, nakita niyo po. Nag-yellow yung kalsada guys. Okay. So good luck sa amin. So ngayon, ito yung nakuha naming hotel dito sa Kazakhstan, which is very mura lang siya guys. May kasamang free breakfast. So yung breakfast is tamang breakfast lang talaga. Okay, so nakita niyo naman ang aking mga outfit. So nag-check na agad. There, hello. Ito po yung aking susuotin later. Ayan siya guys. And by the way, dito pala sa hotel, so hindi na kami nagbukas ng aircon kasi sobrang lamig. And may kasama siyang heater dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. May heater siya guys. So kung nilalamig kayo, buksan nyo na ng very very light. Ayan. May init na ng katawang lupa mo. Charis! There. So yeah, excited na kami sa aming Day 1 tour, and panoorin niyo po guys ang aking journey dito sa Kazakhstan. There. Okay, ready na ang aking outfit. And nakapag-breakfast na rin kami. So, later, Gogora Bells na kami guys. Okay, here. Alright. See ya, guys. So, hello. Hindi ako nakatulog, guys, kasi I think nasobrahan ako sa excited. Later. Okay, so ayan siya. Alright. Nakaka-excite, guys, ang aking journey today. So, first time ko dito sa Almaty, Kazakhstan. And first time ko makaapak ng snow. So, watch out, guys, for my next video. Okay? There. So now, pwede pahinga muna ako ngayon kasi magana tayo ng maraming energy later. So, more videos ang maaasahan nyo, guys. Okay?